Microsoft Teams is a meeting and collaboration app that makes it easy to create, organize, communicate, and meet in the virtual space. This video will show you the basic features of creating and attending meetings and go over some of the basic settings and features to enhance your experience. There are 3 ways to organize a virtual meeting in Microsoft Teams. The first method I'll demonstrate is creating a meeting from inside your Outlook desktop app. First, open Outlook. Click on the calendar icon in the lower left corner if your calendar is not already open. Click on Meeting. Then, click on Teams Meeting. Invite your participants. Use the scheduling assistant if needed. Fill out the subject field. Confirm your date and time. And click Send. A meeting link will be generated in the invitation. To create a Teams meeting in the web or cloud-based version of Outlook, follow these steps. First, sign into Outlook by typing outlook.daytonastate.edu into the Chrome browser. Sign in with your DSC credentials. Click on the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on New Event in the upper left corner. Add a title. Invite attendees and use the scheduling assistant if necessary. Confirm the date and time. Under Add Online Meeting, select Teams Meeting. A meeting link will be generated and embedded into the invitation. Then, click Send. The third way to create a Teams meeting is through the Teams app itself. Click on the calendar icon on the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, click on the New Meeting button in the upper right of your screen. Add a title. Invite attendees and use the scheduling assistant if needed. Then, hit Send. A link to the meeting will be embedded into the invitation. There are 3 different methods that you can use to attend a meeting in Teams. The most common method is probably from the meeting reminder notice that pops up on your computer screen. Simply click the Join button and you will be taken to the meeting lobby. The second method of entering a meeting is from inside Teams itself. Click on the calendar icon. About 4 minutes before the start of a meeting, a blue Join button will appear on the meeting. Click on the Join button and you will be taken to the meeting lobby. The third method to attend a Teams meeting is via Outlook. Click on the meeting in your calendar and a dialog box will open. Click on the Join button and you will be taken to the meeting lobby. Let's cover some features and settings for your meeting. In the lobby, you can turn your webcam on or off. You can turn your microphone on or off. You can blur your background to help eliminate distractions, or even add an interesting background to your shot. Custom settings will allow more advanced users to choose options other than default settings. For example, you may want to use an external microphone, speakers, or webcam instead of the built-in equipment that came with your computer. These same features can also be accessed from inside your meeting. Now let's join the meeting. Again, you can turn your camera on or off. You can mute your microphone or turn it on. With the Share button, you can share your screen, individual documents, or windows on your computer, even conduct a PowerPoint presentation live. There is also a whiteboard feature that you can explore. The chat feature will allow meeting attendees to type questions and share documents and links with everyone in the meeting. The participants icon will display everyone in the meeting. The meeting organizer can use these icons to change meeting permissions for attendees. For example, muting microphones and allowing others to present. They can also download an attendance list that shows the participants' names, the time they joined the meeting, and the time they left. Clicking the Raise Hand icon will alert the meeting organizer that you have a question. You can locate more settings and features by clicking the ellipsis. Show Meeting Notes will allow you to display notes previously created, such as an agenda, and allow you to take notes during the meeting. You can turn on live captions, and you can record the meeting with this button. This telephone icon will allow you to leave the meeting, however, it does not end the meeting for all participants. This is the way to officially end the meeting for all participants. A record of the meeting will be created in the Teams chat section that can be reviewed by all participants at any time. Included will be the chat section from the meeting recording if one was made, plus any files shared during the meeting. The meeting notes and the whiteboard images will also be saved. This was just a brief overview of the meetings function in Microsoft Teams. As you continue to explore its features, we're sure it will help enhance your communication and productivity in the virtual space. Welcome to Microsoft Teams.